Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Cash App on Brawl Stars. So what you're going to do, firstly open up your Cash App. Cash App, and then once you've logged into your Cash App account, so what you're going to do, you're going to get your Cash App card. So you can only use your Cash App on Brawl Stars if you have the cash card. So simply once you've logged into your Cash App, if you go to your card section here, you can simply use your card here, or if you don't have, you can just get your free card here. So if you hit on get your free card, you'll get a cash card from Cash App, which is very similar to any bank cards. It's basically a Visa card, as like how you get it from your bank. So once you have that cash card details, all you have to do is on Brawl Stars, when you go to Brawl Stars, when you open your Brawl Stars, so here what you're going to do, so when you get to this purchasing section here, so when you want to make any payments, for example, all right, if you go to your shop, so for example, let me purchase something, so let me select these and I'm going to purchase this. Okay, so when you select, so whatever purchase you want to make in Brawl Stars, when you select it, so what you're going to do, it's going to take you to your Play Store here. So here what you're going to do, simply scroll down and hit on this arrow to change the payment method. So under payment method, just hit on this add debit or credit card option. Simply click on it, and then now add the details of your cash card, so your debit cash card that you just got it from your Cash App. So enter those card details and then complete this transaction. So that's how you can use your Cash App on Brawl Stars. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.